mesh top of the low-cut silhouette is breathable and reinforced with supportive synthetic overlays. The tongue logo, a strong homage to the fast-paced, high-energy streetball culture, is the most prominent aspect. It features a flaming basketball grasped by lightning bolts. In addition to the forefoot's vivid red mesh and tiny white swoosh, the medial midfoot panel and molded heel provide further toughness for forceful cuts and drives. The shoe's contoured midsole with zoom cushioning and sturdy herringbone outsole provide stability beneath the foot, making it ideal for the concrete courts it is designed for. The stylized heel detailing, mismatched insoles with chain-link patterns, and brilliant orange and blue accents that contrast with the covert black upper are other design highlights. Perfect for players hitting the tarmac across China's summer hoops scene, it's all about flair and performance. In China only, the Nike ST Flare will be available shortly. SRP is $125.